pole babies, welcome to my channel. I am the official pole girl. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Today we're going to be working on invert. Invert is when you go upside down on the pole. Alright?
First thing we're going to do is place the arm that's close to the pole down on the pole first. Make sure the pole is inside your armpit. Your outside arm will go on top of your pole arm. Make sure your arms or hands are not over. Play with the inside and outside leg, playing with the inverted T. Yes, so there is your invert. I hope you all enjoyed. Mwah.